How to fix media lost in CapCut PC. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the way of how to do that. So as you can see, I have two media loss problems and how can we try to fix it? So firstly, make sure that you found the format of your media. As you can see on this file, we have .png and here we have .mp4. And what does it mean? It means that CapCut, they don't have the way or where can we find these file. And in order to solve this problem, we need to show them this way. So how can we do this? Make sure that you have this file on your computer. You can import it once more, but if you want to restore them inside of the projects on the timeline, for example, follow this way. So find the media lost object you want to save, you want to add. Click with the right mouse here and then click on link to media. After that, we can see these here. We can click on link to media and then we can select it from our computer. Where is it now? So how can we add it? And then click on open. After that, it will be automatically fixed and your media will be added. Hope this video helped you out. Goodbye.